Hey guys, it's Donut Nuno here again today. And today I have some very exciting news. Guess what I have? A box of Select Champions. It's all sealed. I just took off the packs because I was so excited. So 36 packs, and yeah, let's just get cracking into it. First pack. Okay, Jackpot Silver. I want to show you the comments. It would take like 2 hours if I did. Next pack. Brian Lake Silver. Just letting you know, I did play the game on the iPad. Hamish Hartlett Silver Parallel. Hopefully I can get all the commons because I bought like 6. I've already bought 6 packs before this box, and yeah. Next pack. Eric McKenzie Silver Parallel. Wanting some good cards now, because I'll try and make it as quick as possible. Oh, we have a BF. We have a BF. Robbie Gray, so that's a very good card. First BF. Then we have Mitch Duncan. So, good pack. 1 BF ready. One of our BFs. Oh, and next pack, Dusty Fletcher. Firepower. Then Len Montagna, a silver. So, getting some good cards now. Okay. Jack McRae Silver. So, he's got some good packs. Already got a bear. Oh, double Sam Gibson Silver. Okay. This is already like a third, so it's actually going quite quick. We have a Travis Broke 150 milestone, and Sam Mays Silver. Lewis Jetta Silver. Gary Kibbettson Silver. Last pack of the first row. Stevie Johnson Silver. Right, so now we're on to the middle, line. Double Troy Menzel Silver. Right, we have our second milestone, and it is there we are. It's a good Courtney Dempsey milestone, and then Brent McCaffrey Silver. Alright, Tom Lynch Silver. Matt Jones Silver. Try and get through this box as quick as possible. Oh, it's going to be hard to open. Wonder what superhero card I get. Oh, and we have our second best and fairest, Nathan Jones. Nathan Jones BF. I don't like it how the BFs are at the front of the box, front of the pack. We're a Sloan Silver. So the BF one was actually harder to open. So that's a tip. Matty Loeb Silver. So if the pack's hard to open, should be a BF in there. Right, Jack Muirns, don't even know who he is, Silver. Sorry if I have bad pronunciation of the names. Josh Kennedy Silver. Sorry, just talking to my brother, telling him to get away. We have a milestone of Nick Smith 100 games and Tom Scully milestone. Right, we have Brendan Matera silver. Get away! Right, this one's a bit harder to open, so it may be a superhero. Oh no, just a milestone of the J-Pod, James Podtiadley, and Heath Shaw silver. Right, so this is the last pack of the second row. Yet to get a superhero. We have a Will Schofield milestone, Tom Lonergan silver. Get away! Get away! Trying to make a video. Get away!
Hello.
Get away. Stuart Cramery firepower.
Bye-bye.
Richard Douglas. Oh yeah, that's cool. Richard Douglas silver. So we just had a nice pick up there. Our silver firepower character. Now we're on to our last row. Hopefully we can get our superhero soon. Kyle Hooker silver. Looking for our silver. Our superhero. Get away. So, just tell my siblings to get away. Brendan Ellis silver. Come on. Oh, we have our... Get away! We have our firepower character of Daniel Pearce and Jordan Lewis silver. Right, we have Chris Maston silver. Man, this comments pile of you guys. Sorry if this is a long video. Looking for our oh, we have our superhero refractor now. Sorry, Mark Murphy, and our superhero refractor of David Mundy. Superhero refractor. Okay, so it's a nice pickup there. Superhero refractor of David Mundy. That's a good pickup. Let's put that to the side there. Right, so nothing really left in this box now. Okay, Stuart Cramery silver. Man, these